Today we're going to look at how to use Excel spreadsheet to do the calculations that we need to. Now, we're going to be finding the median and the mean, the mode, and what's called the range. Median is very easy. You can start any formula by typing an equal sign, and the median formula is median, and you'll see that Excel actually suggests what formula you might like. So if you double click on that, it will say median of, and you've got to put the numbers in. It will let you select a range of numbers. If you click on and hold, click and hold and drag, and you'll see that it's showing you all the column numbers that we want to get. Click and drag only that column there. If we go back down here, you'll see it's got a bracket and a range of cells. Put in another bracket and hit enter, and it will calculate the median for you. The mean is the average. If you type equals average, there we are, double click, and the same thing. Highlight everything, close the brackets and hit enter, and it will calculate the average for you. The mode equals, and start typing mode and use mode.mult, which should get you multiple modes. So double click, highlight the whole area, close your brackets and hit enter. We have the mode. Now the range is the largest score minus the smallest score. Equals range. There's no formula for range. So what you might have to do for range is find the maximum and the minimum. Start with equals and start typing max, and we'll use the max formula of this whole column. The maximum age in there is definitely me. Equals min, double click, there's our minimum formula. Highlight the whole thing, close your bracket, hit enter, and the range is the maximum minus the minimum. So if you hit equals, click in the maximum cell, type a minus, click in the minimum cell and hit enter. That will work that out for you. So that's 4 formulas that you can use in Excel to find median, mean, mode, and range. We can't do it for this question because this is not numerical data, but you can work this out for the number of bedrooms and see how you go yourself.